sometimes it's not you who design system. You joined a team, a company, system is already in place, and now you're looking at the design. There is hardly any documentation why decision has been made, and now you want to say, no, I want to refactor it. And I think it's very common situation, like people joining from one company to another, and then they had this situation, and
Yeah.
now they want to present, and they get this pushback. You just joined, you don't know the exact domain, there was a problem statement. So how can one convey this message more effectively in constructive way to bring situation this current architecture situation to the next correct solution, correct level? I would say, I wouldn't say correct, but better than current one.
So first, I would say congratulations. You made a product that basically outlives your average employee tenure.
Mhm.
Congratulations, that's a great product. It's very successful because it's alive longer than your employees usually stay with your team because they might change, or with your company because they might want to move on. A good thing happened to you. Secondly, I think if I would be the architect, completely new, being sent somewhere, the first things that I would do is I don't think it matters where you start. I would maybe approach the business unit and ask them, hey, are you happy? What kind of problems should we solve? Or I would approach the development team or teams and ask the same question. I would try to learn stuff about that. If I have learned some things, then I would try to listen to what those people want. I am very, very, very full of opinions of my own, but in my job, I don't think that my opinions should drive that. I can absolutely bring them in. And I do that in discussions very, very strongly. But at the end of the day, if I'm not the person writing the code or coming up with the budget, the best thing I can do is bring those teams together and tell them, hey, look, there is a few constraints we need to have. Every organization has constraints, right? Maybe you're saying, hey, we're a Java shop. We only do Java. That's something you can't change. Or maybe you're saying, we wanna go for only AWS as our cloud provider. You can't use Google Cloud. Those are basic decisions. Yes, let's keep to those. But apart from that, there's a business unit that makes money and wants something. And to make money, they need a team. And that team needs, I don't know, help with a few decisions or something to make happen what the business unit needs. It's a circle. It's not like one person can rule over the other. That's just not how it works. Bring them together. Let's have that discussion. Give the power to the development team to make that decision. And I'm sure most of the time development teams can make a good solution design, good architecture. And I'm sure most of the time the business units know what they want, and they pretty much know what they want next. Very important. If they know what you want next, development team can prepare. Bring those together. There is no need for me to tear down walls. There is no need for me to say, oh my God, all your architecture is wrong. You now need to go monolith.